Hi guys, so we are visiting Jumping Sofa Resort, and they said they're gonna show us a Hawaiian performance in 3, 2, 1.
Frick you!
Someone just fell down. You okay, ma'am? Oh gosh. So her neck is cracked. Let me just show you something else. Oh gosh. It's really slippy here. And since I usually
Ma'am,
play-
are you okay? Ma'am? Ouch! 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 Ouch!
since I usually pay
Ah! Ouch!
since I usually paid $10 billion, they said that $10 billion means that I am gonna have this. So let's continue.
What are you doing?
What are you